Welcome to NIIT's YouTube channel where we turn trending tech into skills you can actually sell. Today's game plan is simple. I'll walk you through 4 money-making offers: AI blog generation, AI website building, AI automation agency, and a powerful 1-2 combo of AI customer support triage with CRM data cleanup and enrichment. Also, by the end, you'll have a script you can use with real clients tomorrow. If you can save a business time or bring them new customers, you don't need to be a coder to get paid with AI. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you 4 practical ways to earn money using AI, what they cost, how hard they are, and exactly how to land your first paying client. No hype, no get rich overnight nonsense, just repeatable plays you can start this week. Let's start with AI blog generation first, but not the spammy stuff. This is buyer-focused content that answers the questions people actually ask before they buy. Think of 3 angles: a how to decide guide, a compare your options piece, and a pricing and next steps page. Now I use AI to draft quickly, then I make it human one real example, one short story, and a clear next step at the end. I always include a short TLDR at the top, a pricing or feature table, pros and cons, and a tight FAQ. Those blocks are what search engines and AI overviews love to quote, and they help readers take action. Now, if you're starting from zero, begin with 10 real questions customer already ask. Pull them from support emails, sales calls, or Google Search Console if you have the access. Draft with AI, then add proof, screenshots, mini case studies, or even a quick quote from a user. Keep the language clear and the promise specific. For pricing, offer a cluster, 8 to 12 posts per month with internal links and a simple monthly report. And if they prefer per post, price fairly and add a small bonus if the piece ranks or generates leads in a set time. Remember, you're not selling word count, you're selling clarity that converts. Now second, we have AI website building. Now businesses, they don't want another brochure. They want a 24/7 salesperson. I position this as a 7-day site sprint. For now, day 1, we align on the promise and the audience. Day 2, AI drafts the core copy and I polish it to sound like a real person. Day 3, we lay out the pages, home, services, about, pricing, contact, plus 1 lead magnet page like a checklist or a calculator. Day 4, visual polish and social proof, logos, testimonials, numbers. Day 5, conversion blocks, clear call to action, WhatsApp or calendar booking, and a 3-step plan: book, try, decide. Day 6, basic analytics, page speed, and a quick A/B test on the headline. And last, day 7, review and go live. See, the value here is in the tool. It's the structure that reduces friction for the buyer. Now offer a fixed price sprint with a tight scope. Then roll into a care plan for updates, backups, and tiny monthly experiments on headlines and calls to action. Upsell a lead magnet and a 3 email welcome sequence that nurture new leads without extra effort from the client. Now third, we have AI automation agency. Now this is where AI turns into a profit lever, not a toy. Pick a narrow outcome first so it's easy to say yes. For example, a lead to booking flow. Someone fills a form, they get an instant WhatsApp reply, they answer 3 qualified questions, they see available time slots, they book, and the CRM updates automatically. Or a support workflow: incoming email gets classified, a helpful draft reply is generated, a tag is added, and a follow-up reminder is set if nobody replies in 6 hours. Or a finance flow: overdue invoices trigger, smart reminders with payment links, and a daily reconciliation sheet flag exception. Now your pitch is always the same: diagnose, demo, pilot. Diagnose the top bottleneck by asking, where do you lose the most time or leads each week? Demo a tiny person with dummy data in a 90-second screen share. Then sell a 2 to 3 week pilot with 1 clear KPI. First response time is under 5 minutes, qualified bookings up to 25%, or manual hours saved per week. Price a fixed setup fee for the workflow and a monthly retainer for monitoring and small tweaks. Now, if you like, add a performance bonus when the KPI beats a target. The reason this sells, you are not talking about features, you're promising an outcome that owner can feel this month. Fourth, the retention engine. AI customer support triage plus CRM data cleanup and enrichment. Support triage is all about speed and sanity. We take a sample of a few hundred past tickets, label 6 to 8 common intents, pricing, delivery, returns, technical issues, sales requests, and general inquiry. We prepare safe reply templates and set confidence thresholds so an agent approves anything below the bar. We start during business hours only, measure first response time and customer satisfaction, and expand once the number moves in the right direction. Now see, CRM cleanup is all about focus. We deduplicate contacts, standardize fields, fill in missing data like industry and city, and build a simple lead score based on fit and recent activity. Then we hand the sales team a call this next list they can actually use. Bundle the two together and you have built speed plus focus, faster answers and smarter follow-up. Now that's retention. Now here's a quick script I use to close pilots. I say, show me the 3 places your team loses the most time or leads each week. Then I share a 2-minute demo of the exact fix. I follow with, let's run a short pilot. Fixed price, 2 to 3 weeks, 1 target, fixed response time under 5 minutes, or duplicates contacts down 80% or bookings up by a quarter. Now if we hit it, we roll into a simple monthly plan. Deal, keep it measurable, keep it small, and start now. Now let's recap everything in one line each. Now first, AI block generation. Buyer-focused clusters with answer blocks that rank and convert. AI website building, a 1-week sprint that turns website into a clear path to yes. AI automation agency install flows that pay for themselves by saving hours or generating bookings. And fourth, support triage plus CRM cleanup, speeds and clean data, which mean happier customers and more revenue within the same team. Now, if you want me to share a 1-page pilot setup checklist covering questions to ask, the KPI examples to pick, and the 3 must-have screenshots for your proposal, comment the work checklist and tell me which of the 4 offers you start with. Now, you've been watching NIIT, where we turn AI into income and impact. Tap like, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications. I'm Kushagar, and I'll see you in the next video.